Stop by and take a look at the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, tachometer, navigation system, leather shift knob, front bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.